Normal vortex cannons, I totally understood. I've made loads of smoke ring cannons. They all work pretty much the same way. Put a bit of smoke in them. Then, just like that. As the air leaves the hole here, it creates a bit of a low pressure region behind it. It gets folded back on itself and it makes this beautiful ring-shaped vortex. And what happens, it's like a whole series of little vortices going all the way around the ring. It's incredibly stable. And we normally see vortices in rivers. There's a classic example. You see the water flowing down the river, it goes past a rock and it gets swirled back and you see these whirling eddy currents, vortices. Now, these ring-shaped vortices, they owe their stability to a couple of things. One is, as that gas is spinning round, it wants to be flung out by centrifugal force, but if it flings itself out, it leaves like a vacuum in the center that pulls itself back in again, so it holds it stably there. And the other is the spinning gyroscopic effect. You see it all over the place. American football's classic example. You let it tumble, it hardly goes anywhere. You spin it and it goes straight as an arrow. Frisbee, same sort of thing. Throw a frisbee without it spinning, it's rubbish. Once it spins, very, very stable. So spinning things want to stay where they are. So this holds this ring together, both stops it twisting and stops it falling apart. And there, it travels through the air. Beautiful. It's not quite the same when things get supersonic. Air can't anticipate anything supersonic. It's going faster than the speed of sound. So